Say Ronak. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Everybody has completed their work. Is everybody's work completed by now?
Hey, Rahul. Good morning, ma'am.
Hello. Yes, children. Have you completed your work? क्या बात है? Am I not audible to you people? सुनाई नहीं दे रहा आप लोगों को? Yes.
Done, completed.
Manya, Vedang. Can't you people hear me?
Ma'am, completed.
Good, Riddhi.
Good morning, ma'am.
What?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Arav. I've shared the PDF of the geography chapter. जिसका भी work complete नहीं हुआ है, please take the help of the PDF and kindly complete your work. And what about the history?
I'm completed.
History's work is completed as well.
Yes, ma'am.
7C students. What about you people? What's your status?
We have to do the question answers of history chapter.
Okay, yesterday we
Yes.
have discussed.
No, ma'am, some chapter is left to explain.
Okay, some part is left to explain.
And literature and language part is left only.
Okay. And geography is completed, 7C.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Chalo, Akshad, read about the literature and language part.
Okay, ma'am. Language and literature. Persian was the language of the administration. Arabic was used mostly by the Arab traders from Western Asia. Sanskrit was a language of higher learning among Hindus. The production of the standard books in Sanskrit was more than before in this period. Development of the Bhakti movement led to the development of different regional languages such as Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Punjabi, Kannada, Telugu, and Tamil. Much of the popular literature in Sanskrit was now available in these regional languages. In some areas, regional languages were also used for administration. Because of long contact between the Muslims and the Hindus, the Persian and Hindi language also mixed completely. This mixture gave birth to a new language called Urdu. It produced a remarkable literature later on. Persian poets like Amir Khusro and Amir Hussain Dehlvi wrote super poetry in Persian. Minhaj-e-Siraj and Zia-Uddin Barani were great historians of this period. They wrote accounts of the rulers and the political events of that period. Amir Khusro was also a famous Hindi writer. Malik Muhammad Jayasi was the author of Padmavat. Ramanuja, Sarthi Misra, and Jaydev were prominent Sanskrit writers of this period.
Okay, right. So as he has read and told us that Persian was the language of the administration, during that time, Persian was mostly used as administration because the area was ruled by whom, children? Which Sultanate was in power back then? Delhi Sultanate, right? Okay.
Yes.
So since they were the central power, that is why they used to use Persian language. It was their official language. They had come from Persia. They used to use that language. That is why they have made it as the official language. कि जितना भी official work होता था वो किसमें होता था? Persian में, right? But as we know that Arabic was used mostly for the Arab traders from Western Asia. ठीक. संस्कृत जो थी वो हाई लर्निंग की लैंग्वेज थी, जो हमारे सेंट्स थे, राइट, जो ब्राह्मण्स थे वो संस्कृत में पढ़ते थे. संस्कृत को भी बहुत एक वैल्यूएबल लैंग्वेज माना जाता था. इवन द शूद्रास वर abandoned फ्रॉम रीडिंग एंड लर्निंग संस्कृत. उनको तो संस्कृत पढ़ाई भी नहीं जाती थी, right? The production of the standardized books in Sanskrit was more than before in this period. But अब क्या होता, बुक्स का प्रोडक्शन बढ़ गया था बिकॉज भक्ति मूवमेंट ने लोगों ने ये समझाया कि इट इज नॉट ओनली एंड ओनली इस लैंग्वेज के ऊपर सिर्फ ब्राह्मण्स का ही राइट थोड़ी है, राइट? Language is such a pure thing which anybody could read. So that is why when the books started to being printed, तो फिर बुक्स का सर्कुलेशन भी बढ़ा, फिर प्रिंट भी ज्यादा हुई, जिससे कि वो वाइडली लोगों तक पहुंच पाए, ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग उसको पढ़ पाए, राइट? एंड देन yeah, uh, now the different regional languages such as Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Kannada, Telugu, etc. also became popular as much of the popular literature in Sanskrit was now available in these regional languages as well. अब लोगों ने कोशिश की, बिकॉज देखा आपने पढ़ा होगा कि जितने भी भक्ति सेंट्स थे, right, they used to preach in their right, guys. So like we have studied that these people, right? So we have read that these people used to preach in the regional languages, local languages में preach करते थे कि अपनी बात localite से पहुंचा सके, जिसकी वजह से अभी regional languages भी develop होना शुरू हो गए, right? They had tried to develop these regional languages as well. In some of the areas, regional languages are also used for administration. कुछ areas से वो इन्हीं languages को administration के लिए भी use करते थे, ठीक है? Because of the long contact between Hindus and Muslims, Persian and Hindi language mixed. अब Persian and Hindi language के mixture से कौन सी language आई? Which language emerged as a mixture between Persian and Hindi?
Urdu. Urdu.
Urdu.
Right? So the language which was developed as an amalgamation between Hindi and Persian was Urdu, right? So this mixture was named to be known as Urdu. उर्दू में बहुत ही बड़ा लिटरेचर बना, जिसके कुछ बहुत ही रिमार्केबल पोएट्स हैं, जैसे कि आमिर खुसरो, आमिर हुसैन देलवी, जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छी पोएट्री पर्शियन में लिखी थी, राइट? मिनहाज सिराज जियाउद्दीन बरयानी वो ग्रेट हिस्टोरियंस ऑफ दिस पीरियड. एंड इन लोगों ने क्या लिखते थे? क्रॉनिकल्स लिखते थे. डू यू रिमेम्बर क्रॉनिकल्स पढ़े थे हमने? याद है कुछ? व्हाट क्रॉनिकल्स आर?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या होते हैं
Yes, ma'am.
क्रॉनिकल्स? व्हाट आर क्रॉनिकल्स?
Accounts written by some historians.
Yes. Okay. So these people used to write the accounts of the rulers and the political events of the period, right? आमिर खुसरो एक बहुत ही फेमस हिंदी राइटर थे, right? एंड मलिक मोहम्मद जयसी, आपने पद्मावत देखी है?
Yes, ma'am.
जो अभी मूवी बनी थी, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
इट वॉज बेस्ड ऑन अ
हाँ।
बुक जिसका नाम पद्मावत ही था, राइट? जो कि किसने लिखी थी? मलिक मोहम्मद जयसी ने, ठीक है? तभी इस पर भी इतनी कंट्रोवर्सी भी हुई थी, अभी मूवी आई थी। नाउ Ramanuja, Sarthi Mishra, and Jaydev were also some prominent Sanskrit writers of the period, right? So finally, we are done with the chapter. Let's come to the question answers. Okay. First question is, who were Nayanars? Yes,
Can I
Athargupta.
tell a
Yes, Athargupta.
Nayanas were the saints who were devoted to Lord Shiva.
Very good. Who were Alvars, Yatharth?
Alvars were the saints devoted to Lord Vishnu.
Alvars were the saints devoted to Lord Vishnu. Next is, what was Sangam literature? जी बेटा बताइए. What was Sangam literature? Priyanshi, tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. The Sangam literature is the earliest example of Tamil literature composed during the early centuries of the Common Era.
Very good. State one principle of the Sufis. Rena.
Okay, ma'am. One principle of Sufis is God is one and all powerful, all are his children.
Right. There are so many principles, you can write any one out of it. Okay. Next is, name any two Sufi saints.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Bhavya.
The two Sufi saints were Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti and Shah Alam Bukhari, Gujarat.
मोइनुद्दीन चिश्ती है, और एक और इजी भी है, उसमें नाम बताओ, वो कौन बताएगा?
Baba Farid.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Sarthak.
Bahadur
Ma'am,
Shah.
he is Baba Farid.
And
Baba Farid
Nizamuddin.
is of Ayodhya.
Nizamuddin, right? Any two you can
Ma'am,
write.
Baba Farid.
Yes. Next question is, who was Ramanuja? Yes, Yashmit.
Ramanuja was a great reformer of southern India. He was born in a town near Madras, Chennai in 1016 AD. He considered God to be an ocean of love and beauty.
Very
And his teachings are written in Upanishads.
good. Correct. Name any one Maratha saint of the 13th century. Kindly raise your hands for giving the answers, children. Yes, Athar Gupta, you can tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the one Namdev was a Maratha Sant of the 13th century.
Very good. Next question is, name the holy book of, sorry, who was the founder of the Sikh religion? Yashmit.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji was the founder of Sikh religion.
Very good. Next question, name the holy book of Sikhs. Bhavya. Bhavya, name the holy book of Sikhs.
Can I tell?
Yes, Shelly.
The holy book of Sikhs is Guru Granth Sahib.
Very good. Is development of Bhakti movement led to development of different regional languages, right? Name some language. Yes, Yashmit.
Can I tell?
Yashmit. You don't need to say can I tell, and I request others also to raise their hands. There are only a couple of children who are raising their hands. I can't see others raising their hands. क्या बात है भाई? सार्थक, पांशुल, मोक्षित, आरवल, अलंकृता, आश्रय, क्या आंसर्स नहीं आते हैं? Yes, Ojasvi, tell me the answer.
The two languages are Hindi and Marathi.
Name the movement to which the following reformers belonged. Manya.
Ma'am, Guru Nanak Dev was a social reformer.
Yes, Manya, could you please repeat the answer?
Ma'am, Guru Nanak Dev was a social reformer.
No, 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 no. You know,
And
just,
movement.
yeah, you just need to tell the movement. Mokshit Mishra, tell me the answer. जसकरण सिंह, अरहान यादव, क्या बात है भाई, आप लोग को बिल्कुल जवाब नहीं देना कोई से भी?
Ma'am, seventh B already discussed. That's why I'm
So
not.
can't you tell me the answer again? 7B.
Ma'am, all were in the Bhakti movement.
Yeah, all three of them are involved in the Bhakti movement.
Bhakti.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, for Kabir, can't we write Sufi movement?
No. The name of
Okay,
Kabir is
ma'am.
given under the Bhakti movement only. Okay. Next question is the last of the short answers. Naam Japna, Kirt Karna, and Vanch Japna are the teachings of which Sikh Guru? Yes, Sarthak Agarwal.
Ma'am, Baba Nanak.
Okay. Shall we discuss the long ones as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, same question right about Nayanas and Alvars. Why am I seeing the same hands being raised again and again? What about the other students? Why the other students are not raising their hands, not trying to give the answers? Yes, Panchul. Panchul, क्या हो गया बेटा? Ajay, your hands used to be raised for the first time. Now, why have you taken a back seat? मन नहीं कर रहा आंसर देने का.
No, it's not a.
So then, what is like that?
No, Nayanas and Alvars. Nayanas were the saints devoted to Shiva, while Alvars were the saints devoted to Vishnu, who came from all castes, including those considered untouchable, like the Polayar and the Panaras. They were sharply critical of the Buddhists and Jainas and preached ardent love of Shiva or Vishnu as the path to salvation. And they drew upon ideals of love and heroism as found in the Sangam literature of Tamil literature composed during the early centuries of the Common Era and blended them with the values of Bhakti.
Anybody would like to add something to it? Yes, Yashmit.
Ma'am, we can write the 7th to 9th century saw the emergence of new religious movement led by saints called Nayanas and Alvars. Nayanas were saints devoted to Lord Shiva and Alvars were saints devoted to Lord Vishnu, who came from all castes, including those considered untouchables. They were sharply critical of Buddhists and Jainas and preached ardent love of Shiva or Vishnu as the path of salvation. The Nayanas and Alvars went from place to place, composing equestrian poems in praise of deities and shrined in the villages they visited.
Both the answers are correct. You can, I'll suggest you can mix both the answers and write one. Okay? Next is write 5 principles of Sufism. Hmm. Are Sholitagi, you are present in the class. I thought you're not here only. हैं आप क्लास में? अरहान यादव, आई थिंक यू आर. तो आप आज आपने एक भी आंसर देने के लिए हैंड रेज नहीं किया. सब ठीक है शौर्य? The hands which I could see being raised were only of Atharv Gupta, Bhavya Rastogi, Yashmit. That's it. Manya. Arhan Yadav, are you there?
Ma'am, I don't have my book right now. It's with Panchal, so I cannot answer any question.
Your
So,
book is with Panchal. Why is it so?
ma'am, in the school it was with him, then I didn't get it back.
Very nice. How are you doing your work then?
Ma'am,
You haven't started your work only.
ma'am, I have done.
How? Copied.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know what, Arhan? Even I do not have a book right now. But what I do in such cases, no, I ask my students to send me the PDF of the book. There is this facility
Ma'am, I have
available.
asked Sheesh, but he hasn't sent it yet. So,
Yeah. Your friends will send you memes and everything, but not the book. हाँ Arhan? मुझे बोल देते बेटा, मैं भेज देती. बताइए शौर्य त्यागी आंसर.
Okay. The 5 teachings of Sufism are: God is and all powerful, all are his children. Second, to love mankind means to love God. So everyone should love humanity. Third, true love of God is important than rituals and fast. Fourth, paths to God are many. So one should be tolerant towards the other religions and sects. In this way, they try to bridge the gap between Muslims and Hindus. The fifth, respect for all human beings is necessary and important.
Right, so these principles are given in points only. You can write them as it is. Okay? Next question is, write about the teachings of Kabir. Yes, Akshaj.
The teachings of Kabir were almost same like the teaching of the Sufis. He believed that he did not believe in the distinction of caste and creed, and according to him, everyone is a child of the same God, uh, whether the God is Ishwar or Allah. His one of his teachings says that one could achieve salvation by deeds, but not caste and creed.
Okay. Yes, Alankrita, is your answer any different from his?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next is, write any 5 teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Yes, Sarthak.
Yes, I'm just sharing.
Finding. Yes, Yashmit.
5 teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji were नाम जपना, कीर्त करना, and बंद चखना, which also underline the importance of right belief and worship, honest living, and helping others. He himself used the terms naam, dan, and insan for the essence of his teachings, which actually means right worship, welfare of others, and purity of conduct.
Okay, and
Now can I tell?
yes, Sarthak.
The teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji were, emphasized the importance of worship of one God. He insisted that caste, creed, or gender was irrelevant for attaining liberation. His idea of liberation was not that of a state of inward bliss, but rather the pursuit of active life with a strong sense of social
Commitment.
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 Commitment. He himself used the terms Nam, Dan, and Insan
Naam,
for the
Dam, and Isnan. Naam.
Isnan.
Naam means, Naam japna wahi Naam means praying for God. Dan means doing good to others, giving to others, giving to the have-nots. Isnan means dipping in the holy river, holy waters.
Okay, ma'am. Of the incense of his teachings.
ठीक है. Yes, Shaurya Tyagi.
I wanted to answer the fifth one.
Okay. So I think this answer which was given by Sarthik is absolutely correct. But in that, you can also add the points given by Yashwat earlier, right? That Naam Japna Kirt Karna and Van Chakna Walu point. Okay. Got it, children? Do you know where this answer is given?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now the last question is explain the growth of language and literature under the Bhaktis and Sufism. बताइए त्यागी जी.
Okay. Under the Bhakti, the promotion of vernacular languages, such as example like Bhakti movement, saints like Kabir, Tulsidas, and Guru Nanak Dev composed words in Hindi, Punjabi, Bengali, Marathi, and other religious languages. In this, both Bhakti and Sufi saints use languages to connect with masses. This shift from Sanskrit, Persian, Arabic to vernacular languages made their teaching more accessible. In under emergence of bhakti literature, devotional poetry like bhakti saints express their spiritual experience through poetry songs, which became a significant form of literature in their bhakti and Sufism. These compositions often conveyed themes of love, surrender, and devotion to the God. And contribution of Sufism literature. Most of them are mystic poetry. Sufi saints composed mystical verses, emphasizing divine love and soul's union with God and the transcendence of the material world around them. Influence of the both religious literature in Bhakti and Sufi saints, their teaching were woven into fabric of religion culture, inspiring their bhakts to a surge in local literary tradition. Like literature saw the rise of alvars and nayanars, whose devotional hymns were compiled in the Divya and Tavaram.
It's fine. The answer is nice, but I think it's pretty long. You can just price it in the 5 points only. ठीक है बहुत ज्यादा लंबा आंसर की जरूरत नहीं because then you will be the one who will
Okay.
face problem in learning. ठीक है तो इसको थोड़ा सा शॉर्टन अप करके 5 points में कर दो बस. ठीक.
And where is it written?
बेटा लास्ट passage, last topic, rise of language and literature. तो अभी हमने पढ़ा था ना बेटा. Like you can write that under Bhaktism and Sufism, the regional languages developed. A new language called Hindu emerged. है ना? Sanskrit became very popular amongst like circulation in Sanskrit widened. And then you can write some of the name of the great poets of those particular languages. That's it. ठीक है? Got that? Is it all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
7C, please complete your history work. And for 7A and B, I am sharing a map work. Right? जितने आपने कर लिए हैं, well and good. जो नहीं किए हैं, please do it right now. 7C, I'll share in your group as well. आप लोग कब करोगे? आप लोग पहले अपना ये हिस्ट्री वर्क कंप्लीट करके ज्योग्राफी का फिर बाद में मैप वर्क कर लेना. ठीक है? Am I clear to you all?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Start doing your work, children. And 7A and B, I request you people to please make the PDF of history and geography and please keep sharing them in the group right now. Hurry up. अगर PDF नहीं बना पा रहे हो, then send the pictures, but start sending them quickly. जिसका काम हो गया, please अपनी PDF बना के भेज जाइए ग्रुप में. Right now only.
We have to do the new words as well.
Yes, better new words have to be done.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, क्वेश्चन फोर्थ में गुरु नानक देव जी कट करके बाबा नानक देव जी लिखे हैं, क्योंकि आपने जो मार्क कराया वो बाबा नानक देव जी
दोनों
की।
सही है
तो
बेटे, बोथ आर करेक्ट।
ओके।
Ma'am, in a group it is coming can't send, not an admin.
Wait a minute. Now you'll be able to send बच्चे.